Losing weight feels like a massive victory until you look down at the shower drain and see clumps of your hair looking back at you. It is a terrifying moment that many people are facing right now. This specific type of thinning is becoming a huge conversation piece among people using those popular new weight loss medications. These drugs are incredible for the waistline, but they can be a shock to the system. That shock often shows up as sudden hair shedding. This is exactly where a brand called Curadose steps into the frame. They are pitching a high-tech solution designed for this exact problem. It is an at-home hair growth system that uses something called a precision microinfusion device. You combine this device with a peptide infusion serum. The idea is to deliver those nutrients directly to your scalp instead of just letting them sit on top of your hair. The marketing is very polished. Their website boasts a near-perfect rating of 4.9 stars. They also claim to have over 11,000 reviews. That is a staggering number of people giving a thumbs up. The brand even uses the phrase clinician's choice to build trust. But we have to look past the shiny website. This system is meant to be used just twice a month. The brand says it will not interrupt your progress. It sounds like a dream for anyone watching their hair get thinner by the day. However, we need to talk about the reality of why this shedding happens. When you lose weight quickly or take powerful medications, your body goes into a survival mode. It redirects resources away from non-essential things like hair. This is a biological internal shift. An at-home device might feel like it is doing something, but it is not a guaranteed fix for everyone. Results depend on so many moving parts. You have to think about the specific ingredients in that serum. You have to consider your own scalp condition. You even have to look at your technique when using the device. Is the marketing stronger than the actual evidence? That is the big question you should ask before opening your wallet. There is a massive difference between a product that feels premium and a product that actually changes your biology. You should definitely hunt for the full ingredient list before buying. Do not just take their word for it. Look for independent customers who are not being paid to post videos. See if people are still happy 6 months later. Often, hair will naturally start to grow back once your weight stabilizes. This means a product might get the credit for something your body was going to do anyway. Be careful with any system that claims to be a miracle. Check the safety information and the clinical evidence for the whole kit. Your hair is precious, but so is your money. Always look for the truth behind the 5-star ratings. A little bit of healthy skepticism goes a long way when you are trying to navigate the world of beauty tech. Keep your expectations grounded and do the deep research first.